Namaste all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn area of a trapezium. To understand what is a trapezium and what is the formula of area of trapezium, let's watch this video. Namaste all the students from 8th standard. In this lecture we are going to learn the area of the trapezium. Firstly, we will understand what is trapezium, and after that we will learn what is the area of trapezium. So first we have to draw trapezium. You know that trapezium means a quadrilateral in which one of the pair of the opposite side is parallel. So let us draw quadrilateral using folding method. So first make a fold like this, and now we have to find the parallel fold. For the parallel fold, we make a perpendicular fold like this, match these edges and make a perpendicular fold, and again make another perpendicular fold like this. So perpendicular to perpendicular, that are parallel. Let us open these foldings and we will got two parallel lines here and here. So draw these two parallel lines using ruler. Two parallel lines. Here also. So two parallel lines are here. Now remaining two opposite sides are not parallel. So draw non-parallel lines here. Now that is the trapezium P, Q, R and S. So let us cut that trapezium PQRS. In which side PQ is parallel to side SR. Now using these two parallel sides, we can divide this trapezium in two triangles. So join diagonal QS. Then we got here two triangles PQS and QSR. PQS and QSR, these are the two triangles. Can you tell that area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle QSR? Definitely. So let's write it. So area of quadrilateral PQRS, which is a trapezium, it is equal to area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle QSR. Now we know that area of triangle, formula for area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. So consider triangle PQS. Let's take PQ as a base. So into PQ and into height H plus 1/2 into, let's take in triangle QSR, let us take SR, segment SR as a base. So into SR and into H. Now this is the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. H is the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines and which is same. Therefore 1/2 and H is the common factor. So it is equal to 1/2 into H and into bracket PQ plus SR. Now PQ plus SR is the sum of the two parallel lines. So 1/2 into sum of parallel sides and into height. So this is the formula for area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Okay, do you understand it? Thank you. So after understanding what is trapezium and what is the area of trapezium, let us recall again the formula for area of trapezium. Can you remember it? Yes, very good. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallel lines and into height. Okay. So let's solve some examples. In a trapezium, if the distance between parallel sides is 6 centimeter and the length of the parallel sides are 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, then find the area of trapezium. Let's draw first a diagram of trapezium. It is a diagram of trapezium. Now we have given here the distance between parallel sides, that is 6 centimeter. So it is 6 centimeter the distance between parallel sides, and the parallel sides are 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. So 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively, and we have to find the area of trapezium. So let's now use the formula for area of a trapezium. 1/2 into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides into height. So it is equal to 1/2 into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides, 7 plus 8, and into height, that is 6. So 2 1 is 2 and 2 3s are 6. It is equal to 7 plus 8, that is 15. 15 into 3, that is 45, and the unit of area is square centimeter. So area of given trapezium is 45 square centimeter. Next, now second example. In trapezium, if the distance between parallel sides is 8 centimeter and sum of the lengths of the parallel sides is 15 centimeter respectively, then find the area of a trapezium. Again, we can draw here the diagram of trapezium, and let's write the information given. The height is given, the distance between the parallel side, that is the height, is 8 centimeter. Now area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 into sum of the lengths of the parallel sides into height. So it is equal to 1/2 into sum of the parallel sides is 15 and into height is 8. 2 1 is 2 and 2 4s are 8. 15 into 4, that is 60 square centimeter. So area of a trapezium is here 60 square centimeter. Okay. Now next. Now you have to solve practice set 15.3 and show it to your subject teachers. Okay.